Welcome to the topic on making HTTP requests in Angular using Angular's HTTP client. As web applications often require data from external APIs or servers, Angular's HTTP client module becomes an essential tool for handling HTTP requests and responses. In this topic, we'll explore how to make HTTP requests in Angular applications. 1. Introduction to HttpClient. Angular's HTTP client is a service that allows us to send HTTP requests and receive responses from servers or APIs. It provides a straightforward and efficient interface for handling asynchronous data fetching and communication. 2. Sending GET requests. Is to make a GET request using HTTP client, we use the GET method. This method takes the URL as its first argument and returns an observable that we can subscribe to in order to access the response data. 3. Sending POST request. When we need to send data to the server using a POST request, we can use the POST method. This method takes the URL as its first argument and the data to send in the request body as the second argument. 4. Handling error responses. As with any communication with external services, it's essential to handle error responses appropriately when making HTTP requests. We can use the subscribes method second argument to handle errors. 5. Using observables. HTTP client methods return observables, allowing us to use powerful operators from the RxJS library. We can leverage operators like map, filter, and catch-error to process and manipulate the data received from. Summary! Angular's HTTP client module provides a powerful and easy-to-use interface for making HTTP requests and handling responses in Angular applications. We can send GET and POST requests, handle error responses, and use observables to process data effectively. In this topic, we explored the fundamentals of making HTTP requests using Angular's HttpClient module. By leveraging this powerful tool, we can ensure smooth data communication between our Angular applications and external APIs or servers. As you continue your Angular journey, remember to make the most of HttpClient to create robust and efficient web applications.